I had given you a task with a phonetic transcription and the answer is love. Okay, R sound, short vowel sound of English. And some other examples are shown on the board. It's come, rough, blood, but. So sometimes we get O, the letter O for R sound, and sometimes the letter U for R sound. That is a short vowel sound and connect it with our Malayalam R sound. Okay, so that you can easily remember. Now let's look at the long vowel sound. To remember that, let's remember this beautiful word of God from the book of Isaiah. Okay, verse 16. Behold, I have graven you on the palms of my hand. Behold, I have graven you on the palms of my hand. God says that He has graven you on the palms of His hand. Okay, so in that we can see palm, the word palm. The word palm, the letter A in it has the sound, long vowel sound, ah, palm, calm. Similar other words are laugh, cough, heart, balm. Okay, ah sound. So keep this word of God so that you can easily remember English short vowel sound ah and long vowel sound ah. Okay, thank you.